Welcome to our channel LinguaTune with Teacher Sally and Teacher Saul. Here are the selections in Phil-IRI English Grade 6, Part 1. Here is the first part of the final assessment in Phil-IRI English Grade 6. Have you seen a falling star? Where does it come from? As you listen to the selection, find out where a falling star comes from. The title of the selection is Rocks from Outer Space. The pieces of rocks that come from outer space have three names: meteor, meteorite, and meteoroid. A meteoroid is a piece of matter moving in space. It moves as fast as 40 miles a second. It may be large or small. Most meteoroids are smaller than a grain of sand. As a meteoroid comes into the air near the Earth, it catches fire. Most meteoroids burn up before they hit the Earth. The flash of light from the burning meteoroid is called a meteor. If a piece of meteoroid falls to the ground, it is called a meteorite. People have studied these rocks for many years. They wanted to research ways to keep meteoroids from making holes in spacecrafts. Thick walls may help, or perhaps spacecrafts can be covered with a metal skin that will seal itself. Listen to each question, then choose the letter of the correct answer. Where do the meteoroids originate? A. From the outer layer of the Earth. B. From the other planets. C. From the outer space. Or D. From the moon. A meteoroid catches fire when A. It hits the Earth. B. It falls to the ground. C. It collides with a spacecraft. When is a meteoroid dangerous? A. When it falls to Earth and burns down houses. B. When it makes holes in a spacecraft. C. When it hits the airplanes. D. When it catches fire. The rocks from outer space are studied to find out A. The time that they fall on Earth. B. How these rocks could be used. C. How to avoid their fall on Earth. D. How to keep them from making holes in spacecraft. What is true of meteoroids, meteorites, and meteors? A. They are all small. B. They are all rocks. C. They all fall to the Earth. D. They all turn into balls of fire. When one sees a flash of light in space, he may exclaim, A. That's a meteor. B. There's a meteorite. C. That's a meteoroid. D. A meteoroid hit a spacecraft. Which is the best definition of a meteorite? A. A flash of light from a burning meteoroid. B. A piece of meteoroid that falls to the ground. C. A piece of rock from outer space that hit a spacecraft. D. A piece of rock from outer space that burned up before hitting the ground. In the sentence, they research ways to keep meteoroids from making holes in the spacecraft. Another word for research is A. Study, B. Solve, C. Conclude, D. Experiment. Where do you find beetles? In the selection, find out where are beetles found. Why do they survive anywhere? The title of the selection is Beetles. Beetles can adapt to any kind of environment. They can be found crawling, burrowing, flying, and swimming on every part of the earth except the ocean. Why do beetles survive well on our planet? First, they have tough, compact bodies. This helps them hide, find food, and lay eggs in places where other insects could never go. Almost all beetles have tough front wings which are colorful and carry beautiful patterns. These wings also act as a suit for armor to protect the beetle's transparent hind wings, which are used for flying. Beetles have mouth parts designed for chewing different food. They eat other insects, animal dung, and even cloth. They also feed on the bark, leaves, flowers, and fruits of any kind of plant. They can even chew around the stems of poisonous plants to let the deadly sap drain. Listen to each question, then choose the letter of the correct answer. In which of these places won't you find beetles? A. In the mountain, B. In the plains, C. In the sea, D. In the hill. In this sentence, beetles can adapt to any kind of environment, which is synonym of adapt. A. Get used to, B. Change, C. Crawl, D. Eat. What pair of words describe the beetle's front wings? A. Transparent and thick, B. Tough and colorful, C. Wide and thick, D. Silky and soft. What is the use of beetles' hind wings? A. For protecting the front wings, B. For covering the body, C. For finding food, D. For flying. Which of the following states the main idea of this selection? A. Reasons why beetles can survive anywhere, B. Places where one can find beetles, C. The compact body of the beetles, D. The food that beetles eat. What action of the beetle means making a hole in the ground? A. Burrowing, B. Swimming, C. Crawling, D. Flying. The front wings of most beetles are A. Transparent, B. Hide the beetles, C. Protect the hind wings, D. may be used for swimming. If someone says, "You eat like a beetle," it means that A. You are a picky eater. B. You can eat anything. C. You don't have appetite. D. You eat a very little amount of food. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to watch the second and last part of this video. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again soon. Bye!